Hello everybody, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews. I just got a head pack, you call it. I think it's called a head pack. It's a liquid container for 5 gallons. This I got from my top-off unit, which I plan to get for my saltwater fish tank. So this is just going to hold RO water. I read up all the reviews on it. It says it's safe for food contact and everything, so that's really good. Only mistake I made is I love blue, and I got blue, and I don't think it's going to be see-through. And I'd rather have gotten the see-through one instead, which was half the price, and I would have known how much water's in it at every time, instead of now I'm going to have no idea. So I kind of messed up with that, just to let you know. So let's take it out of the box. The cap comes separate. Here's the cap. Take it out. Slides out like that. That's what it looks like. So, like I said, there is no way for me to tell how much water is in here. This thing is made really strong. I get it. That thing is, it's really strong, as you can see. Ow. It's really strong. It has labeling on the side, 5 gallon, 20 liter. Okay, fine. The cap goes on there. Little air vent over here. It's just that I messed up because I can't see through this, and I don't know how this is going to work for me when I can't see through it, so I don't know what to do now. I don't know if I feel like returning it. So don't do the same thing that I did. I let it get the best of me, just like I said, because I wanted to match my blue canister, have a whole blue setup, and now I have no idea how much water is going to be in here. And that's the only thing that stinks, and I think I'm going to be bitchy about it. Anyway, this comes off. I guess it opens up. This you can hold as a grip when you're putting on. Oh, no, it clicks the thing on. That's cool. Clicks it in place. So, all right. Maybe that's the seal that you put on. You put the cap right on. So, all right, that's it. Just this is just a little review of the 5 gallon head pack that I bought from Amazon. I think I paid a little bit over $30 for it. Like I said, I like blue too much. That's why I bought it, and it's gonna look nice and everything. I'm all excited, but only downside is I have no idea how much is in here. And since I'm gonna have a nano tank, 40 gallons or less, I'm hoping that this is going to be sufficient at least for a week or two. I'm hoping. So we'll see with the evaporation. Let's go from there, If you guys know how much water that you usually waste in a, won't waste, but have to fill up in a week, let me know on your size tank. If you have a 40 gallon or a 30 gallon size tank, please let me know in the comments below how much water you evaporate roughly about a week. This way I have an idea of what I should be dealing with, or what I'm going to be expecting, or what I should expect, alright? Alright, thank you everybody for watching. Have a great one. Enjoy your day. Please subscribe for more updates on everything else that I have or I get that's a review, and learn from my mistakes and see what's up and make your own opinions on that. And that's it. And enjoy, and comment below if you can, if you have any questions. All right, have a good one. Have a good day. Bye bye.